Hi everyone, I'm Ben. Welcome to Palm Springs, California. I'm really excited to be here with you today to announce the winners of the Data Literacy Awards. This is the fourth year in a row. Me and my team have been running this awards contest where you get to vote for your favorite books and podcasts and video channels. And so we're really excited to be able to let you know who won. We had more votes than we've ever had before in this year's contest. So thank you to everyone who spent some time taking a look at the shortlisters and making your voice heard for who is the winner. Let's get started without further ado. So you all know me. I love books. I love writing books. I love reading books. And there were some really great data books this year. And so the runner-up for the most insightful data book for books published in 2022, that goes to Functional Aesthetics for Data Visualization. That was written by Vidya Settler and Bridget Cogley. Now, this book is available. First edition came out, and this is all about putting together a researcher and a practitioner, having them spend together a lot of hours discussing data visualization, not just about how to make great charts, but also the whole process and how to make that richer. So congratulations to Vidya and Bridget for their runner-up winner there, Functional Aesthetics. Check that book out. The winner is The Carbon Almanac. It's Not Too Late is the title. This is a very interesting book. This was put together by a network of people, actually hundreds of collaborators, spearheaded by Seth Godin. And really, it's taking a look at the climate from the point of view of thousands of data points, charts and graphs and diagrams. People come together all over the world to be able to put this one together for us. So take a look there, The Carbon Almanac, and congrats to all of the many people that worked hard to put that book together. You all are the most insightful data literacy book of the year. All right, on to the second category. Now, this category is called the Most Helpful Video Channel. Again, based on content uploaded in 2022. We learn so much, don't we, from video channels, whether it's how to unclog your drain to, how to create a chart or a graph in Tableau or R or what have you. So who are the folks that are really putting together great video content for us? So according to voters, the runner-up is Data Science Dojo. So their YouTube channel boasts over 91,000 subscribers, and they're having great videos here about MySQL, about building and deploying a model using AutoML, introduction to graph analytics. That's just a handful of the recent videos they've published. So congrats to the Data Science Dojo team. And the winner of the Most Helpful Video Channel, well, that goes to the Storytelling with Data team, led by Cole Knaflick and Randy Knaflick and others. And so they have over 13,000 subscribers, and they've put together some great videos to help you make diverging bar charts in Excel, or how about low-tech planning for better presentations? That's just a couple of their more recent videos. So take a look at Storytelling with Data. It's a hot topic. It's a great team. They've been doing it for over 10 years now, and their YouTube channel is looking real good. So congrats to Cole and team for that win. Most interesting data podcast. Some of us love to have our headphones in, or we're commuting, or we're working out, and we've got our AirPods in, aren't we? We're listening to a podcast. And so we can really hear some interesting thoughts that are being shared with us via audio. So the runner-up for the most interesting data podcast based on episodes airing in 2022, well, that was actually a very close contest, but it goes to the Super Data Science podcast. That's with John Crone. And so they're publishing new episodes here, every few days, really multiple. I mean, even already here in the month of November, I see 6 episodes that have been aired. So very regular podcast. The last episode was with Anne Emery about how to influence others with your data. And so take a look at the Super Data Science podcast. That's the runner-up. So who's the winner? Well, that goes to the Data Chief. That's put together by ThoughtSpot, also led by Cindy Howson, their Chief Data Science Strategist. So congratulations to Cindy and team. Really, what is this for? This is a podcast for today's modern data leader. The last episode was about 6 rules to dominate the decade of data, and then best practices for driving impact from data and analytics. Lots of great episodes there. And again, she's publishing regularly as well here every few weeks. So congrats, Cindy. And I know you put in a lot of hard work to the Data Chief podcast, and so congrats on winning the Data Literacy Award for the Podcast of the Year. All right, 2 more categories to go here. Top Data Community Initiative. Now, this is based on activities that were carried out this past year. So people are putting together lots of ways in which, you and I and everyone can contribute to try to use data to make the world a better place, to try to build up others and help others. So the runner-up to the Top Data Community Initiative, that goes to the Data Leadership Collaborative. The Data Leadership Collaborative is put forward by Tableau. It's my former employer, and I really enjoyed working there. There's a lot of people very passionate about data and community, and so their new initiative there, the Data Leadership Collaborative, has put together great brain dates, lots of interesting articles and podcasts, and initiatives to bring people together around this topic of data and leadership around data. And then the winner goes to Viz for Social Good. Now, this is one I think we can all get behind. What are they doing? They're connecting data enthusiasts with mission-driven organizations, putting them together, giving the data enthusiasts a chance to help those organizations make a difference and achieve their objectives to make the world a better place, to solve a variety of issues and problems the world faces. So Viz for Social Good is the winner there for the Data Community Initiative based on activities carried out this past year. Okay, last but not least, the final and 5th category. This is the Data Literacy Advocate of the Year. Who did the most in this last year to advance data literacy around the world? And so the runner-up for this award is Susan Walsh. So congrats, Susan. You can find her on LinkedIn, Susan Walsh. She is, I'll pull her up here. Susan calls herself the classification guru. So she's really into data governance, helping people understand data quality. She titles herself the fixer of dirty data. She was an award winner of the Data IQs 2022. She is author of Between the Spreadsheets. She's a really fun person to follow and has interesting thoughts and makes learning entertaining, and also just a real person who's a subject matter expert in her field. And then, I guess, drum roll please here, right? The winner of the 2022 Data Literacy Advocate of the Year, that goes to Valerie Logan of Data Lodge. The Data Lodge is an organization that's helping organizations come up with a game plan and execute on that game plan to become more highly data literate. Now, Val, I can't speak highly enough of her and all she has done to get this momentum moving with data literacy around the world. She's really one of the founders of this movement. In fact, I would say the founder. She did a lot of research when she was at Gartner into the topic, and even before her days at Gartner. And now she has really kind of taken the lead in helping people come up with their playbook. She runs boot camps, and she has a community that's growing now of practitioners in a variety of different organizations, many different industries, and they're all helping each other, comparing notes, and she's guiding them along the way. So congrats to you, Val. You really work very hard, and also to your team, and we're real proud of you and what you're doing. All right. Well, again, thanks everyone. Over 400 people voted for the 2022 Data Literacy Awards. Really amazing to see that growth, more than twice as many as last year. We're going to do it again next year. Just keep giving you the opportunity, to learn about all the great resources out there, all the people that are putting together helpful content to try to help make us all more highly data literate so we can speak the language of data even better in 2023 and beyond. All right. Thanks, everyone. You take care now. Happy holidays. Happy New Year to you. I wish you all the best in the coming year. Take care. Bye now.